Woo! Good thing. Good thing I got this helicopter. So I have two people that are against me. Just go more up and more up. Oh my goodness. I'm so freaking high. Like, you cannot believe how freaking high I am. That sounds so wrong, but whatever. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo! Yeah, so sorry if I'm not really talking that much. It's just that I'm just concentrating. So yeah, if you get bored, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I'm trying to focus right now. I don't know why. Probably I'm too tired, or it's just that I don't really want to talk right now. Comment below if you know that reference or that song. I don't really want to talk right now, like that. Whatever. I'm not giving you hints. Yep. There's 43 people and that kind of big of a circle. It's not even that big. It's not even big. Like it's not even, not even small. Like, it's not even the fourth circle. That's what's the fourth circle. How much people would be in there. Or the third circle. No, the fourth. Yeah, the third. I don't know, guys. This is the second circle? Yeah, it's the second circle, and it's 41 people. My goodness, people are bots. And I can't even see nobody. Wait, oh my goodness. Oh, is that the old track? But it's just mini. Any OGs out there? Any OGs from season 4? Or from season, I think from season 1? I don't know. I haven't played like in season. I haven't played in season 1 or season 2 or season 3. I've played since season 4. Yeah. I heard of the game, I think in season 2 or season 3. I heard of the game in season 3, and I played on season 4. I think. Ooh! I think. So, yeah. Do you know how high you get? I just want to know. This spot is basically the main spot where you freaking just This is the main thing. My goodness. And my arm is still hurting so much. Oh shoot! What is that? What was that? If you saw that, like or comment where it was, because I saw that, and I want you to prove where you saw it. So yeah. I'm so hungry. By the way, anyway. Oh shoot. Is it just me, or I feel like someone's about to freaking float on my freaking face? Flow all the way. Is that a person? Or is that just me? And that's just a window. A front window, whatever it's called. Whatever! I have no... I don't even know what the heck are these words for this right now. Probably because it's 8:27 and I'm freaking doing this. Who does that? I'm not talking to the wood and the hey, yo! Stop laughing! Stop laughing! It's not funny. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet for once. That's kind of funny. Whoa, do it again. Do it again. Whatever. This is awkward. This is an awkward silence. Oh my god, you scared me! You freaking scared me! Don't scare me for once. Finally, no noise. Tell me I can see the freaking ball. Oh, see, I told you. Told you. Told you. Told you. Whoop, whoop. Road trip. Whoop, whoop. Comment if you know that reference in the movie. I'll give you a hint. It's a movie from February. There's your hint. Road trip. Whoop whoop. Let me say it again.
Sonic!
Really? Really? Come on. At least you got me a little bit of views. Oh my god, what the freak? I'm a cloud giver. Why did you just yell out that answer? Like I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm not 20 meters away from you, like, jeez. Oh shoot. There's 18 freaking people in this circle. Like, why? How? Were people so bad that they just camp everywhere and I'm the only one that is freaking free. Serious. Bum ba da 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 dun 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 dun. What is this freaking circle? Oh, it's like. Imagine that's the circle and the next circle. I keep saying circle. Like, why do I need to say circle? Comment down below how much times I said circle. Like, I need to know how much times I said circle. By the way, that's a dumb circle. If you agree how dumb this YouTuber is, how much times he freaking just changes his profile, changes his name every time. Comment down below what it is. And I will give you a hint. It starts with a F. And yeah, it's a video game that starts with a F.
Fortnite.
No! Not Fortnite. It's not Fortnite. It's a horror game. No, I said it starts with a F. So comment down below. My goodness. I swear I'm not editing this video. It's just that my dad is always yelling out the answers which is not correct. And there's freaking 6 people. My goodness, how bad are these? It's not even this. Oh shoot. There's 2 people right there. 2 people. You can see when the freaking blower blades are in the freaking way. I can't even say so much. There's 3 people left. Yes. Okay. I'm scared. Oh my god. I'm just freaking vibing on the freaking air with a freaking, what is it called? A chopper. With a freaking chopper. Do not tell me. 2 people are freaking spectating me. I wonder, like, be like, what the frick? Like, what the frick is this? Well, oh, I think I see someone. Nope, I do not. Imagine their freaking build battle or something. Like, that would be awesome for my channel. Could you give me some views? If I swear die, I'm gonna scream as loud as I can. So yeah. And I gotta pee, so I'm not giving my life on Fortnite just so I could pee. Now scare me. I have no idea where the people are at, and if I see someone, getting killed. Oh shoot! Can't believe I could go across the circle like so fast. Oh shoot! This is about to go freaking down, baby. Let's freaking go. And if I swear, I'm just gonna let myself. Ah! Ah, that's freaking scaring me. Comment comment down below if that scared me too. I swear I'm not editing, I promise. That scared me, and I was about to fail. No, I didn't. 2. Yep. Oh, this is about to go freaking down. By the way, and I'm just chilling in the next circle, just vibing out here. And you're about to scare me again. I know that you're gonna scare me again. I just know it. And I only have 10 health. So there's a better chance I'm about to win. And plus, where the frick is the people at? Like, jeez. Oh no, this is about to go down. Oh, there's people. Oh. We're about to go freaking down. This is about to go freaking down. Get it? Because I'm going down. I'm copying Mr. Top 5 video, but making it better, not making it freaking clickbait. My goodness. Clickbait every freaking video.